Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm gonna help you with a problem regarding Instagram ad payment method not working. So make sure to stick till the end and let's start. First of all, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. For that, open Play Store on your device and then search for Instagram and make sure that your app is updated. After that, make sure if your issues has been solved or not. After that, once you're at your profile page, again tap on the three-line icon that you will see at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Once you're done with that, scroll until you see orders and payment method. Then tap on orders and payment. Tap on payments method. Here you will add your payment method to your Instagram, and you can simply select any way that you want to add. Suppose let me go with credit or debit card. So in this way you can add payment method to your Instagram. But if your problem is still not there, the problem may not be linked with Instagram. You might have problem with your cards as well. So make sure that your card is not expired, it is still working, and you are able to perform the other transaction. So with that on your mind, I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.